Hello, my name is Craig Wilson with the ZENworks Backline Support Team. Today I'm going to demonstrate a utility called PS2EXE that can compile PowerShell scripts into executables. This will assist the administrator in deploying PowerShell scripts in environments that traditionally do not permit the execution of PowerShell scripts. So the first thing we're going to do is install the program that can be found here on GitHub. And then we're going to launch the GUI version. And I'm just going to browse to my PowerShell script. I'm going to leave the target file blank. It'll make an executable in the same location. I'm going to pick my icon. I'm going to give it a version of 1.234, and it's going to be called my form collector. Form collect 2025. And there's a number of options you can select. I usually suppress all output. The output can be useful if you have to debug, but for a final product, I generally find it's not needed or desired. And I will hit compile. It's done already, and I just hit enter. And now, when I go to my folder, I now have an executable by the same name. And we can go in. It's got my file description. It's got my file version, a product name, and the copyright year. And so now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to just launch my script. We can see that it runs. But I am now going to set my execution policy to restricted and try to execute it, and it fails. I'm going to launch my executable. It still runs. But at this point, I'm going to get trickier. There is a policy setting for PowerShell that will block all scripts when enable scripts is set to 0. So I'm going to disable my scripts, say yes. Now I'll need to restart PowerShell before that takes effect. Actually, I'm going to do a run as administrator. Don't need to, but, and so now, it's blocked, and we can set my execution policy to unrestricted. And you can see it says it's unrestricted, but it's still denied. So I'm going to try my form. It's still blocked, but now I can still go to my form. It's running. And when I bring up Task Manager, and I go to Details, you can see there is no PowerShell. Oh, there's one PowerShell process running. It's my command window. So I can shut that down, go back here, close the form, start my application again, and there's no PowerShell. So there you go. You now have the ability to take any PowerShell script you need to run and deploy it via ZENworks, even if all PowerShell scripts are blocked. Thank you and have a wonderful day.